You ever sit in a meeting and your stomach decides to audition for a horror movie? Yeah, that was me. Frequent stomach noises and discomfort, all while trying to focus on what's being said. Turns out, it was gas buildup from incomplete digestion. Who knew? I stumbled upon this Plant RX digestion article that explained it all. So, I decided to give their herbal digestive tea a shot. Let me tell you, it was a game changer. I started sipping on that tea, and just like that, the noises stopped. Now, I can actually sit through meetings without feeling like I'm about to explode. Seriously, if you're dealing with the same issue, you might want to give it a try. It's made a world of difference for me.